In today's fast-paced digital world, AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer experience in marketing. These intelligent virtual assistants are available 24/7, providing instant responses and seamless interaction. Imagine having a personal concierge at your fingertips. They can handle inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even process orders, all with remarkable efficiency. What's more, chatbots are constantly learning and improving thanks to machine learning algorithms. This means they get smarter over time, offering even more personalized and accurate support. Businesses are seeing significant improvements in customer satisfaction and engagement, leading to higher conversion rates. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, chatbots can predict customer behavior and tailor marketing strategies accordingly. This not only enhances the customer experience but also drives business success. As technology advances, the role of AI-powered chatbots in marketing is only set to grow, making them indispensable tools in the digital age.